guys, welcome to this week's vlog. There's a lot to do this week. I found this, which is protein, 24% of your daily protein intake, in cereal, which saves me having to explode the microwave daily. I hate the vlog.
Don't do legs. You don't need to train legs ever again.
What, me?
No one needs to train legs. It's not. You don't need them, man. Just get in a wheelchair.
What are you talking about?
Help yourself.
Ew! Oh! Why me?
Points. You basically count all the corners essentially, and it's a 1,
yeah, you count
so
every
1,
point.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be
16.
8, 16.
Yeah,
that's
8
17.
times 2 is 18.
Okay, so you can shut up.
Cheers. It's not like Hannah teacher's house. Welcome to Cooking with Liz, part 1 of many. And I hope you're enjoying my PJs. Le salmon. Le salade. Ooh, this is a microwavable one. I don't know if that's good or bad because the last time I tried that, I whacked it in and it came out black and shriveled up about this big. Can I still eat it? I mean, this floor's probably got AIDS on it. Let's start this. So now I have one tiny piece of salmon. Okay, that looks really good from just such little effort. Just to top it all off.
Someone stole my fork.
Toasted salmon to perfection. I could inhale this in one swoop. Leave my food hair on because I can't be trusted. I think it shouldn't be yellow, should it? I swear there's like a condition for this.
Let's go.
Hey guys, so that was such a good workout. I thought today I'd have some banana in the salad. Good. So it's happened. And there you have it. We're the last ones here because we're keen.
When you hit that snapping thing.
Hi, Liz's vlog. Yeah.
How can you have this? Can I get this drink, please?
Why didn't you come Nottingham?
A hard choice. Because this uni's got UBR and like, that's my life.
What have you got?
I have guacamole,
Oh yeah.
whatever this is, cheese,
Yeah.
double chicken, coriander rice.
Oh yeah. What have you done now?
I just spilled that all on the ground.
Fuck.
Liz!
Liz, you're so clumsy.
You don't even understand. So, we're on a hunt for
Chocolate sauce
and
golden syrup because I love it.
and
And what?
ready.
Ready to make pancakes. Here's a matchy bro.
So I got up quite late today because I was not back until gone 1. I don't want to start work until I've had some pancakes.
I'm Safna. I'm a go-getter. I'm gonna get chicken and mushroom, I think. Chicken pie with mash. Sorry.
You're such a disappointment.
My socks though.
So I'm giving a tutorial how to cook. So you add the oil.
Yeah, he asked that.
Yeah, I'm ready. Try and do that, Liz.
What's happening? That was
Full channel. Yeah.
Really?
We're gonna explore shit and mess with Liz.
Yeah.
We're gonna expose her for everything.
It's gonna be like
What?
Shane Dawson up in.
This is my situation right now. If I squeeze this coat, you would see water pour out of it. What does it mean?
What?
Welcome to today.
It's Thursday. Hey guys.
Did the wrong way around.
Oh hey guys, it's Thursday. My bad.
Basically, what the lathe is how would you describe the lathe? It's a deadly machine that they use to cut stuff up. Yeah, and basically if it clamps a bit of my hair, it all gets skinned. We're currently locked out in just...
Push it. Yes.
Yeah. Well, no, we're not done. We've got electrical like right now. So, this is smoothie 101. I've got my strawberries, my banana, my apple, and a blood orange. Now, of course, that's only a snack. What's cooking tonight? Wow. So on my left, I have 2 little eggs cooking. And on my right, I have broccoli. So it's not so purple anymore. I can confirm the eggs are finished. Longest walk of my entire life. This is so cool. This lighting is. So give me one sentence to define yourself.
Oh man, you're on the spot now.
You had 2 days to think about this.
Better than Liz.
Shut up. Damn, this is what my entrance is gonna look like.
It's actually Liz's house.
Duh. So we're in my office. This is where I like to just sit and have a coffee every morning. It's currently 6 AM. I like to get here after my early morning workout. The sun just rose.
The sun just rose, apparently.
I'll get a picture actually. This could be
Oh, that is such a cool photo.
Oh, he waved! I hope you guys enjoyed my Friday. I was at this Amplify Trading business day, which was basically designed for first year students that haven't. And half of us were the buyers and half of us were the sellers, and we had to just get used to using their simulator. And I got dinner, so bye. This is currently my look for Sunday. Saturday. I don't even know anymore. Really interesting this morning. I've just been bashing out some mechanics report, trying to get it done. It's pretty much finished now. All I need to do is write the introduction. I leave it to the end because it's kind of hard to. It's kind of supposed to be like your conclusion in the introduction. You're supposed to just write about like a summary of pretty much everything. Moving on to some actual mechanics now. Gonna do some questions. Try and sort out truss structures. I literally look like I lost the plot. Hey mum, give me one sentence to describe yourself.
Imaginative.
Sentence, not word.
Oh,
Crazy?
That's another word. As you can see, she's a replica of me. So I'm currently my parents' personal chauffeur for their coffee. I can drink one before they come. Wow, it's so busy.
Liz, you alright?
It's Sunday, so today's just gonna be my classic get sorted day. I'm not going back until the morning, tomorrow, with le papa. So I have all day to sort my life out. So my parents currently aren't in, and they don't trust me to cook when they're out, which is understandable. So I'm eating today spinach wrap, and then to go with that I've got a whole pack of my favourite thing in the world, well maybe not favourite, roasted couscous, to give it that extra oomph. Nice. So what have I done today? I woke up at about 8:30. It took me half an hour to actually get myself out of bed, because we weren't back and everything and in bed until like 1:32. This morning was a struggle and a half. But anyway, me and my dad worked out until about 10:30. I'm sorry, but Ollie's the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life. Oh my god. To give you some kind of look at that. Oh,